Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a Luxpro thermostat including TX100E, P711, P711V and the P721, and the reset process is actually much easier than most of people think. So as you can see, this is the Luxpro thermostat available. Now on your thermostat, you need to take a look at the system switch. So this is going to be that switch. So right now you don't want it to set to heat or cold. Instead, you just have to move the switch completely to off. Now this is important because the reset usually won't work properly while the thermostat is actively running, heating or cold. So once you have done that, you need to simply locate the set button and the next button, which is right next to it. So here you need to press and hold the both buttons together at the same time. Just keep holding them for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Then you just have to simply wait and do not release it too early. At this point, the screen should reset, restart, or it should clear itself automatically, which means that the thermostat has reset successfully and it's now working properly again. So after the reset finishes, you may need to set the temperature again, adjust the time again depending on the model. So once this is done, you can now switch the thermostat back to heat or the cold mode. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.